Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for creating the outdoor space of your dreams without breaking the bank. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at those stunning magazine-worthy garden walkways and thought, there's no way I can afford that? Well, think again. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the best-kept secrets in landscape design. We're breaking down how you can ditch the mud, elevate your curb appeal, and guide your guests through your yard with gorgeous, budget-friendly pathways. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy side yard, these stepping stone projects are fast, highly customizable, and incredibly easy on your wallet. An inexpensive stepping stone garden walkway is a functional and artistic path made from affordable, spaced-out materials like concrete pavers, natural flat rocks, or even homemade molds, surrounded by a filler material like gravel, mulch, or ground cover plants. Unlike solid, poured concrete or professional flagstone patios that require heavy machinery and thousands of dollars, stepping stone paths embrace natural spacing. You should choose this approach because it is the ultimate weekend warrior project. It requires absolutely zero professional masonry skills, conforms beautifully to the natural curves of your yard, and provides excellent drainage. Most importantly, it gives you a high-end, structured look for a fraction of the cost, proving that a beautiful garden is about smart creativity, not deep pockets. Hardscaping isn't known for being budget-friendly, but you can add structure to your yard on the cheap if you look into inexpensive stepping stone walkway ideas. Stepping stone garden paths are relatively simple to DIY in terms of walkways, as you won't have to lug heavy mounds of gravel or be too precise with your stone laying if you don't want to. Keep your style preferences, the size of your path area, and your skill level in mind to ensure you set realistic expectations. Whether you are looking for some aesthetic small garden design inspiration or a functional and wallet-friendly DIY garden path to navigate through your yard's dense greenery, check out these 15 inexpensive stepping stone walkway ideas. 1. Freeform stepping stone path. Stepping stone walkway through grass in front of White House with green door. If you're going for an imperfect, cottage feel with your stepping stone walkway, consider selecting a flagstone path like this one. The stones are known for being affordable, and their arrangement here is loose and organic, with plenty of room for moss and grass to grow between and soften the edges of each stone. Skipping out on the filler material here is both an intentional design choice and a charming cost-saving measure. 2. Short, linear footpath. Stepping stones through black mulch garden bed with flowers. A few evenly spaced rectangular pavers will create a clean and linear garden path design. This design seems to use 12 inches by 24-inch natural stone pavers, which you can scoop up from your local home improvement store for as little as $10 per stone, depending on the material. The result? A clear, inexpensive stepping stone walkway idea that keeps folks from trampling your flowers. 3. Traffic directing stepping stone path. Stepping stone path in grass with architectural garden feature. A few strategically placed, large and rectangular stones will get the job done without upping your material's cost, especially if you skip the filler material. Here, small rocks are instead used to designate a container garden area. They are easy to lay so long as you keep your edge straight, and are a functional means to direct traffic to areas of interest in your yard. 4. Modern bleached stone walkway. Rectangular stepping stones with ornamental grass border. Wide rectangular stones always look chic and elegant, but they are also super functional thanks to their larger surface area. A lighter beige tone offers a warmer look than the typical gray stone options, and this elevated look often comes with a higher price tag. If you are designing a small path, travertine stones might be within your budget. For larger paths, look into porcelain pavers that mimic the stone's look. 5. Patio flanking walkway. Square stepping stone walkway around pool with gazebo. Adding a decorative stone pathway alongside your patio can be an inexpensive way to extend its reach. In this backyard, the widely spaced stones beside the stairs down from this raised patio help draw the eye down, and of course, can pose a practical use to get poolgoers into the house without stepping on the grass and dirt. Plus, opting for a path design like this is much less expensive in terms of materials than a fully stoned one with no space. 6. Gravel path stepping stones. Gravel path with stepping stones surrounding pond. A gravel pathway will stand up to heavy foot traffic well, but adding a few pavers to form a designated path will add form and function without much extra cost. The pavers can provide a steadier walking experience, especially if your path sits on an incline. The gravel will also help hold the pavers in place without much extra intervention. 7. Stepping stone entrance. 3 stepping stones through grass leading to ranch house with yellow door. If you are faced with a horizontal walkway at the front of your home, you can use a few flagstones or pavers to create a vertical sightline and walking path to your front entry. It will bring intentionality and curb appeal to your yard without much extra effort. And if you have room in your budget, flank it with garden beds as seen here. 8. Petite garden path. Stepping stones through small garden on patio. Yes, stepping stone walkways provide a functional means to navigate through expansive garden beds, but you can also use them simply for aesthetic reasons. Here, they break up a small square of garden surrounded by a stone patio. It adds a third, low level of interest to this petite pocket of plantings, which gets a midpoint of elevation from a water feature and high points from feathery flowers. The resulting look is a feast for the eye. 9. Circular stone path. Circular stepping stones with blue flowers. Circular pavers bring a whimsical look to your garden. Plus, you don't have to fuss with laying them too straight or in a semi-interlocking fashion. You can scoop up a similar stone in a stamped concrete format, which will cost you under $10 per paver in most cases, so this is a super wallet-friendly option. Allow ground cover, plants, and other foliage to grow up around the stones naturally to keep the look every bit as no fuss as it is. 10. Stone walkway. Stepping stones through pebble path. Lay a base of stones for your stepping stone walkway to help ground pavers, as well as keep them level and from moving around. The larger river rocks shown here feel a little more contemporary and intentional than gravel, though both work equally as well. Additionally, the softer, smoother silhouette of these stones brings a wonderful contrast to angular rectangular pavers. Be sure to replenish your rocks if you notice your supply getting low. 11. Gravel garden path. Stepping stones through gravel garden. If your path needs to cover a lot of ground, or if you might require multiple paths, consider a larger fill of gravel with one thoughtfully placed stone path. The gravel is easy to walk on if you need to access numerous beds and planters, and a handful of free-form-style patio stones can establish a route to your door. The softness of the gravel and organic edges of the stones work well together visually. 12. Path of stone pairs. Rustic stepping stone path through grass. A single line of stepping stones is an inexpensive walkway idea for your yard or garden, but placing the stones roughly 2 by 2 provides a more impactful look. This style of path would look right at home in an English cottage, with lush grass sprouting in between each stone. Just be sure to nestle each stone securely in the ground by removing the layer of grass under them. This keeps your stones from jostling underfoot or becoming tripping hazards. 13. Offset stepping stone walkway. Gravel garden path with flowers and stepping stones. Offset your path pavers to create a more detailed pattern. You can space them out evenly or place them edge to edge as seen here. The resulting look feels almost like an iteration of a hopscotch grid. To soften the design's geometry a little, you can lay stones or gravel around it with metal edging to keep the overall lines crisp. 14. Leaf-shaped stepping stones. Use your walkway to add a dose of whimsy to your garden by choosing stamped concrete pavers in fun designs. These leaf-shaped stepping stones feel plucked from an enchanted forest, yet still function well as a means to keep feet out of the garden beds. It truly makes your path a focal point for very little cost. Since most decorative pavers like this are formed out of concrete, they will usually still cost less than slabs of natural stone. 15. Natural stone path. Red stepping stones in gray gravel footpath. Try natural stone as an inexpensive stepping stone walkway idea. If you have a very small area, you need to create a path through that doesn't get much foot traffic. The natural peaks and valleys on the surface of each stone add texture and visual appeal, but can be tougher to grip underfoot if conditions are slippery. Flagstone is not inexpensive, but it does run at a lower cost than a natural stone like granite. Creating a beautiful, inviting path through your garden doesn't require a professional crew or a massive budget. With a little bit of planning, a free afternoon, and the budget-friendly ideas we shared today, you can completely redefine how you experience your outdoor space. A walkway is more than just a place to step. It's an invitation to explore, relax, and enjoy the hard work you've put into your plants and landscaping. So pick the style that speaks to your home's personality, grab a shovel and start building your dream path. If you love these budget-friendly garden ideas and want to keep transforming your outdoor spaces into stunning retreats, make sure to smash that like button right now. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a single design hack from Garden Decor Designs. We want to hear from you. Which of these walkway styles are you going to try in your yard this weekend? Leave a comment down below and let us know. Thank you so much for watching and happy gardening!